Hello everyone, welcome to ProCode. In this video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of Python on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google, type Python, and press Enter. You'll see the official website python.org at the top. Click on it. Once you're on the website, hover your mouse over the Downloads section and you'll see the latest Python version. Click on it to start the download. The file size is around 26 megabytes, so it should download quickly. Once the download is complete, right-click on the file and select Open to start the installation process. Now, the Python installation setup will appear. Click on Custom Installation so we can see what's being installed. Leave all default options checked, including pip and idle. Click Next. On the next screen, under Advanced Options, if you are the admin, check the box that says Install for all users. Keep everything else as it is. Python will be installed in C program files Python by default, which is fine. Now, click Install and wait for the setup to complete. Once the installation is successful, click Close. To make sure Python is installed correctly, open the Start menu and type cmd. Click Open. In the command prompt, type Python _version and press Enter. If you see the installed Python version displayed, that means Python is successfully installed. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.